Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to share the top 5 hidden features that you might not know about on the iOS 14. This is my iPhone 11 Pro Max running on iOS 14.2, which is the latest version of the iOS. Okay guys, so the first feature I would like to talk about is the 3 fingers pinch in and out. This feature is super cool. For those who are using MacBook, might have been using this feature for a long time. But now this is the very first time this feature is introduced on the iOS 14. As you can see on the MacBook, the feature is Launchpad. You can use with pinch with thumbs and 3 fingers. So it means that you're using 4 fingers to pinch this one in order to access the Launchpad. However, this feature on the iOS 14 is used to make a copy of selected text and to paste it on to anywhere you want. To do this is to select the text and then use your 3 fingers to pinch in. So now let me select the text. So for example, I want to copy all of these sentences. So what I need to do next is to use my 3 fingers. So I can use my thumb and with the 2 fingers to pinch in. You see that? Copy. And now I can paste that one onto my note. So launch, paste. See, all of the text is here. One more time. Different phrases or sentences. Use the 3 fingers, as you can see, copy, and then I go to my note and I can paste. There are 2 ways to paste the text that I have just copied. The first way is just to tap on the empty area and paste as I did at the moment. One more is to use the 3 fingers again, but this time you have to pinch out like this. So Google Keep Paste from Safari, as you can see the information there. One more time. So I can use my thumb with the other 2 fingers, or I can use the 3 fingers like this. See that? Paste from Safari. Before moving to the second hidden feature, I would like to take a minute to thanks to our main sponsor, the PDFelement Pro, which can be found on the App Store. PDFelement Pro is one of the best PDF reader apps which is equipped with useful features like annotate, editing text, and adding images onto the PDF documents. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the app, so I can just open this app straightforward. So now let me just open one of my documents, and as you can see on the top you can see 3 main tools. And as I mentioned, the 3 main tools here are annotate, editing text, and adding images onto your PDF documents. When tap on annotate, it allows user to experience the best functionalities of different tools like highlighting text, striking through, underlining text, adding text callout. As you can see, I try to add this callout so that it's easy for the reader to know what this button called. Adding note so the reader can read for more information about this button. Adding shapes, adding stamped, and especially adding your hand drawing signature so you can draw it right on your smartphone screen. In addition to annotate tool, the T tool is used to edit the existing text on your PDF documents. Tap on the tool, you will see the surrounding box. So just tap the box and you will be able to edit or add or delete the existing text on this PDF document. The last tool is to add your image. For example, you can add your own portrait on your CV or any other applications when needed. So now I just add my own portrait and I can even crop my image and adjust it as I want. All the tools are very handy. Apart from all these existing tools, you can also create new PDF document with some ready-made templates like line, grid dot, graph, and music. Just have one of your favorite and now you're ready to go. You can just add the tag, any note you want to have on this document. In addition to this one, you can also use the camera to scan your image as the PDF and then you can save it onto this application. You can even share these documents with someone using the same Wi-Fi networks by going to this IP address. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the second hidden feature on the iOS 14. This hidden feature is used to activate or move the cursors when you want to edit your text using the spacebar. To access this feature, all you need to do is to tap and hold down the spacebar until you see all the alphabets on the keyboard disappear. You can now just move your finger to change the position of your cursor. It's very convenient, as you can see. So if I want to edit this word, I'm gonna show you, or I can move my cursor upward. Okay, if I want to edit it here, okay, it's pretty convenient to have this kind of feature. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the third feature. So the third feature is to quickly select the text as much as you want in order to make a copy, and then you can paste it anywhere you want to. For example, before these features was introduced, in order to copy the text or the articles, what you did was to tap and hold on one word, and then you can drag it like this to select the text, and then you can make copy or you can share it. But right now with this new feature, what you can do is to tap on a single word, which is quite similar, but this time after you tap on the word, and you have to move your thumb or your finger quickly. So let me show you one more time. Tap on the word and select it like this. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the fourth feature that I would like to introduce in this video, is the back tab. I love this feature very much because what I can do is I can screenshot. See that? So I can screenshot very quickly without having to use my thumb to press on the side button and with the volume button here. Having this kind of features activated is quite convenient. So double tap, screenshot. Go to the setting, double tap, screenshot. Go to general, double tap, screenshot. If I tap 3 times, see what happened. 1, 2, 3. So I launched the YouTube app. See, it's awesome, right? So in order to access or use this feature is to go to your phone settings and then go to accessibility, and then choose touch and scroll down to see back tab. So go to back tab and you can see double tap and triple tap, and as you can see, double tap I set it as screenshot and the triple tap is set as YouTube. So select the double tap, you can add whatever you want. You can also set more shortcuts. As you can see, I have a lot of shortcuts so I can use with this feature. So if I launch my shortcut app, you can see I have a lot of shortcuts created. So yeah, you can just do the same if you want to, like camera, note, music, calendar. If you don't know how to make a shortcut, you can check out my video with the link above. Moving on, next is feature number 5. So feature number 5 is one of the most features that I love to use, which is the triple click the side buttons in order to activate the assistive touch. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, it's gone. 1, 2, 3, it's back. And the reason why I love this feature is it's quite convenient for me if I want to restart my iPhone. For example, if I have this accessive touch activated, I can go to device, more, and restart. As you can see, are you sure you want to restart your iPhone? Just restart. Instead of, holding down the side button and the volume up at the same time, and then you slide to power off, which is annoying because you have to wait for a few seconds in order to turn your phone back on. So this feature is amazing. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.